Hello, this is set 26, Max Paper 1. Okay, we shall start with question 1 of our MCQ. Which of the following numbers has digit 9 in its 100,000s place? Okay, so the first one, our digit 9 is actually 90,000, so that's not the answer that we want. Our option 2 is actually 9,000, that's not the answer we want. Our option 3 is 900,000. Okay, that's the answer that we want. So question 1 answer is 3. Okay, we look at question 2. Round off 6,999,832 to the nearest thousand. So 6,999,832. Okay, so this is the thousands place. Okay, so it's more than 5 and above. So it will become plus 1, so we have 7, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, that's option 3. So question 2, our answer is 3. Question 4, find the value, okay, using the rule. Okay, we do bracket, then we do divide or times from the left. So we have 48 plus 72 divided by 3. Okay, doing a long division, 2 minus 6. 1 bring down to 4, so 24 times 4 plus 30 equals to, okay, we have to do a multiplication first. 48 plus 24 times 4, 24 times 4, 4 times 4 16, 2 times 4 8, 96, 96 plus 30. Okay, so you add up this whole stretch of numbers, you have 96, 48 plus 96, 144 plus 30, 174. So question 3, our answer is 2. Question 4, which of the following is the same as 7 divided by 5? 7 divided by 5, we're going to get 7 over 5. Okay, we'll get 7 over 5. Okay, our first option here would actually give us 5 over 7. So we cross that out. Our second one will be 1 over 7 divided by 5 becomes times 1 over 5. This will be 1 over 35. So we cross that out. Okay, this option here, this will be 7 times 5. This is 35. Okay, so we cross it out. So this is actually 7 over 5. Answer is 4. Question 4 answer is 4. Okay, we move on to question 5 now. Find the value of 0.6 times 4,000. So this is the same as 0.6 times 4 times 1,000. Okay, equals to 6, 12, 18, 24. 2.4 times 1,000. Alright, we identify that is 3 zeros. When you multiply, the number actually gets bigger, so you have 2.4, 1, 2, 3, so we put 2 zeros here. Okay, we have 2,400. So for question 5, our answer is actually option 3. Okay, 2,400. Okay, 3 is to 2 equals to what is the number? Okay, so first of all, 3 is to 2 is the same as what is to 12. Okay, if you notice that here 2 you times 6, so 3, by coming here we must times 6 too. 3 times 6 answer is 18. So question 6 answer is 4. Okay, we move to question 7. Vanessa and Giselle have a total of 126 sweets. The ratio of the number of Vanessa to the number of Giselle is 5 is to 2. So Vanessa is to Giselle 5 is to 2. Altogether, this is equals to 126. So 5 plus 2 is 7 units equals to 126. Okay, 1 unit will be 126 divided by 7. 1 minus 7. 5, we bring down a 6. 7 times 7, 49. 7 times 8, 56. Okay, so 18. 1 unit is 18. How many sweets does Vanessa have? Please read the question carefully. Vanessa has 5 units. So answer is 18 times 5, answer is 90. So question 7, your answer is 4. Question 8. What is the missing number? Okay, you need to know that 1000 gram is equals to 1 kg. Alright, so by looking at this, 1078 gram, there's no way it's 107 kg, there's no way that is 10 kg, there is no way that is less than a kg. It has to be 1.078. Alright, okay, anyway, there's 3 zeros, so 1078, you move 3 times, 1 2 3, so your final answer will also be 1.078. So your answer for question 8, answer is 3. Okay, question 9. What percentage of the figure is shaded? Okay, first of all, we realize that there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boxes here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boxes here, so altogether, a total of 25 boxes. How many boxes is actually shaded? So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 boxes are shaded. Alright, when we want to do percentage, we always make them to be upon 100. So that we times 4 times 4. 13 times 4 is actually 52. So 52 over 100 is actually 52%. So answer is 3. Question 9, your answer is 3. Okay, we go on to question 10. The figure below is not drawn to scale. CD is a straight line, find angle x. Okay, here, okay, you need to actually know this. Okay, angles on a straight line is equals to 180 degrees. Alright, okay, so with that in mind, alright, and right angle here is actually 90 degrees. Okay, you should take 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus 28 degrees. Okay, that will be 90 minus 28, borrow 8, 10, 2, 6, 62 degrees. Okay, so question 10, your answer is actually 2. Okay, we move on to question 11. The average number of 3 girls have is 1146. So we have 1146 times 3. Okay, that will give us 3438. Please do your working carefully. When Amanda joins the group with her chocolate, the average number becomes 1059. Okay, Amanda, so 3 plus 1, 4 members now. So 1059 we times 4, we get 4236. So you find the difference, that will be the number of chocolates that Amanda has. So you take 4236 minus away 3438. Okay, and you will get 798. So question 11, your answer is actually 3. Okay, question 12. ABCD is a square made up of a big rectangle and 3 smaller identical rectangles. Find the area of the shaded triangle. Okay, they have already mentioned that this is a square, which means that the length between here to here and here must be equal. Okay, you could see that this is 24 is equals to 3 shorter this length of 24 is equals to 3 short breadths. So the first step, you should actually take 24, okay, divided by 3, that will give you 8. So which means, okay, from here to here is actually 16 because there's 2 of it. Alright, okay, next you need to find the height. Now since this is a square, okay, so if here is 24, here must be also 24, which means the height is actually 24. So the formula for a triangle, okay, area equals to half times base times height. Area equals to half times base is actually 16 times height, which is 24. Okay, so your area will be Cancel, cancel, this is actually 8. 8 times 24. The final answer is 192. Okay, so question 12, your answer is option 1. Okay, now we move on to question 3. Question 3, the figure below is not drawn to scale given that the ratio of the size of x to the size of y to z is 4, 3, 2. Find angle. So this is actually 4 units, 3 units, and this is 2 units. Okay, so first of all, you need to know that, okay, angles at a point equals to 360 degrees. Okay, angles at a point equals 360 degrees. So what you should do is you should take actually 360 minus away 162. Okay, so 360 minus away 162, that will give you 198. Okay, there's altogether of 4 units plus 3 units, 7 plus 2, 9 units. So 9 units give you 198. 1 unit will be actually 22. And then they ask for angle Y, which is 3 units. So 3 unit is actually 66. So question 13, your answer is 2, 66 degrees. Okay, we move to question 14. Amina is 6 years older than Bob. Okay, in 12 years time, their total age will be 50 years old. How old is Amina? Okay, always remember one sentence. Okay, we always have to remember that age difference will never change. Alright, so the age gap will always be 6. So if they have a total of 50 years old, we should take 50 minus 6, we get 44. Okay, and 44 divided by 2 will be 22. So Bob will be 22 then. Okay, and that is 12 years later, so with minus 12, which means Bob is actually 10 years old now. So if Amina is 6 years older than Bob now, so 10 plus 6, we will get 16. So question 14, the answer is 2, 16. Okay, now we move to question 15 now, last question of this paper, 1, MCQ. Mrs. Lai has 5/9 kg of chocolates. She divided it into 5 equal portions and gave 2 portions of it to her friends. How much she left? Okay, so I have 5/9. Okay, I divided by 5 equal portion. Okay, 5/9 divided by 5 is actually just 1/9. Alright, if I give away 2 portions, I will left with 3 portions. So 1/9 times 3 will be 3/9. Okay, in simplest form, divided by 3, 1/3 kg. So question 15, answer is 1. Okay, now we move on to question 16. Write 7,603,000 in figures. So we have 7 million, 7. So we write out this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 7,603,000, 603,000. Okay, so we add them up in figures. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 6, 7. So my final answer is 7603000. Okay, now we move on to question 17. Find the value of 4/5 minus 2/3. Okay, find a common denominator for them. There will be 15. So 5 times 3. So 4 times 3 is actually 12. Minus away 3 is times 5. So 2 times 5 is 10. So we will have 2/15. So our final answer here is 2/15. Okay, we move to question 18 then. Find the product of 3/4 and 5/6. Okay, so we have 3/4 times 5/6. Okay, we cancel here, divide by 3, 1, divide by 3, 2. So we will have 1 times 5 is 5/4 times 2 is 8. So answer here is 5/8. Okay, 0.4 0.8 divided by 40. Okay, when we divide, this number actually becomes smaller. Okay, so okay, if you see that we have to divide the number by a bigger number by 2 zeros. Okay, 2 zeros, so 0.8. Okay, if you see the difference is after you cancel away, there's still 2 zeros. So you move 1 space, 2 space. Alright, so your answer is actually AT. Okay, we move on to question 20. The ratio of number of Jessica cookies to the number of Martha cookie to the number of Patricia is 4:8:5. So we have Jessica is to Martha is to Patricia. Okay, so we have 4:8:5. Martha has 42 more cookies more than Patricia. So if we look at Martha's and Patricia, we realize that there's a difference of 3 units, 8 minus 5, and this is actually equals to 42. So 1 unit, okay, that will be 42 divided by 3. That will actually give us 14. How many cookies do they have all together? So all together, 4 plus 8 plus 5. 4 plus 8, 12 plus 5, 17. So we need to find what is 17 units. And that will be 14 times 17. Our final answer is 238. So 238. Question 20. Okay, our answer is 238. Now question 21. Find the area of triangle ABC. Okay, so this is the base. And the height is this because they must always join by a right angle. Must always join by right angle, the base and the height. So half times base times height equals to half times base is 12 times height is 15. Okay, we cancel this 6 times 15. Answer is 90. So question 21, our answer is 90 centimeters squared. Okay, question 22. Prawns are sold at 70 cents per kg. What is the price of 2.8 kg? Okay, so 2.8 kg, okay, is the same as 2.800 kg. It's the same as 2,800 gram. Alright, so 100 grams will give me 70 cents. So 2,800 gram. Okay, we cancel, will be 28 times. So 70 cents times 28 times, that will give us $19.60. So our final answer here is $19.60. 23. Okay, so you have to find the average number of buttons in the box. So always remember, average is total divided by the number of subjects. So in this case, we find the total number of buttons. So that will be 7 plus 6 plus 0 plus 11. That will give you 24. Altogether, there's 4 boxes, which means there's 4 subjects. So 24 divided by 4, answer is 6. So question 23, okay, your answer is actually 6. Is the average number. Okay, now we move on to question 24 now. Okay, the diagram not drawn to scale, PS and UR are straight line. Find angle SXT. Okay, so this is the angle that we are supposed to find, the one that I just shaded. Alright, okay, if you notice, okay, there's this angle on the straight line is 180. So if this is 120, here must be 60 degrees. Okay, angles on the straight line again, okay, here. Okay, so we have 75, we have 60, so we just need to take 180 degrees minus 75 degrees minus away 60 degrees. Okay, and we'll get our answer. So that will be 180 minus 75 minus 60, we will get 45 degrees. Okay, so question 24, our answer is actually 45 degrees. Okay, we go on to question 25 now. Amelia answered 36% of the question correctly during a test. If there were 50 questions in the test, how many questions did Amelia answer correctly? So Amelia answered a total of 36% correctly. Okay, if we divide by 2 upon 50, so you take 36 divided by 2, you get actually 18 questions. So in this test, Amelia actually answered only 18 questions correctly. Okay, question 26. The table shows the charges for rollerblades rental. Okay, so for the first hour is $8, for the additional half an hour is $3.50. So 10 a.m. to 12:40 p.m. So we have hour, we have minutes. So we have 12 hours and 40 minutes. 10 a.m. So when you minus, it will be 2 hours and 40 minutes. 2 hours 40 minutes. Okay, the first hour is $8, so with that we left with 1 hour and 40 minutes, so we have to pay $8 first. Every half an hour is $3.50, so there's 2 half an hours here, the third and the fourth half an hour here, so there is 4 times, so we have to plus $3.50 times 4 times. Okay, that will be $8 plus $14 equals to $22. So how much does she have to pay? So in all together she will actually pay $22. Okay, we move on to question 27. A confectioner baked 500 buns. He sold 3/5 of them in the morning. Okay, when you see the word remaining, always remember you can use the branch method. So there's 500 buns. He sold 3/5 of them in the morning, which means he will left with 2/5 of the remaining. Okay, and 3/4 of the remaining buns in the evening. So 3/4 of the buns in the evening. Okay, so he will left with 1/4. So how much did he left? Okay, so we find out actually the box here. 2 that will be 2 times 1, 2, 5 times 4, 20. So this is actually 1/10. If she only left with 1/10, it means that she actually sold 9/10 of her buns. Okay, so how many buns did she sell? 9/10 times 500. Okay, equals to 450. So question 27. Okay, my answer is actually, okay, so answer for question 27, 450. Okay, now question 28. 3.6 kg of sugar is mixed with 4 times as much flour. Okay, so sugar is 3.6 kg, whereas flour is 4 times, that will be 3.6 times 4. Okay, so 3.6 times 4, that will give us 14.4. The mixture is packed equally into 20 bags. How many kilograms? Okay, so you add up together, 14.4 plus 3.6. Okay, you give us 18. Okay, 18 divided by 20 is the same as 18 divided by 2 divided by 10. Okay, it's the same as 9 divided by 10, which will give me 0.9. So question 28, my answer is 0.9. Okay, 29. Megan used the recipe below to make muffins. 300 grams of flour, 200 grams of butter, and 50 grams of sugar, and that will give you 6 muffins. She has 1.5 kg of flour. So flour, she has 1.5 kg. 1.5 kg is actually 1,500 grams. So 1,500 grams. Butter, she got 800, so butter 800 grams. And half is actually 500 grams, because 1 kg is 1,000 grams, so half a kg is 500 grams. So sugar, she has 500 grams. Okay, so how many pieces of muffins can she make? Okay, so we see that the flour, if divided by 300, will give us actually, cancel, 5 sets. We can have 5 sets. Alright, butter divided by 200, cancel, we can have 4 sets. and this one divided by 50, cancel, 50, 10 sets. Okay, so we have to take the lowest, so there's a total of 4 sets only, maximum they can make. So 4 times 6, 6, 12, 18, 24. So question 29, she can make a maximum of 24 muffins. Okay, 20% of the 400 marbles in the box are green. 100 more green marbles are added to the box. What percentage? So we find out how many green marbles. So we have 20% of 400, okay, equals to 20 over 100 times 400. Cancel, 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 cancel. 80. So at first we have 18 green marbles. 100 more green marbles are added, so 100 plus 80 equals to 180. So there's 180 green marbles now. What percentage of the marbles in the box are now green? So green marbles 180 over. At first there was 400 with the arrival of the new 100. So now there's 500 marbles. Okay, times 100%. Cancel, 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 cancel. So 180 divided by 5, okay, equals to 36. So now there's a total of 36% that is green in marble. Okay, this is the end of set 26 paper 1. Thank you. Work hard.